Okay, so now we've got our affiliate websites. Our niche affiliate website is set up. Now we just want to advertise it. So one of the ways that we can advertise it is to head over to Pinterest. It's very easy to do it yourself, and you can do it for free as well. And there is a paid option after you do that. It's very easy to click promote, and you can pay a little bit of money and you get quite a bit of traffic that way. But we'll just set up a free pin for starters. So of course our website is SEO, so self SEO. So let's throw a couple of pins together. Now you can do this, do one every day or a few every week. It's pretty quick and easy to build a nice little list for yourself. You can be quite open with it and try a few new things, try a few different things, and that's pretty good. So all we need to do is start a new pin. No, we don't want to do this. We want to create a new pin, don't we? Okay. So we're going to head over to Canva, set up a free account, and create a design or go to a template. And under a design, there's a Pinterest graphic. Now that'll give you the right size. It'll create it to the right size that you need it. So that's why I choose the template there. Now it doesn't really matter what thing you use. It's just layout, because we're going to swap out some photos and things. So just pick one for standard. And we'll head over to head over to Unsplash and see what sort of SEO pictures we can find to use. These are royalty-free pictures. Let's just see what's there. Simple. Graphs are always good. Not too much on the SEO front, but anyway. We'll use this graph fee. Swap out a couple of photos. conquer? What are we going to conquer here? I don't know if we're going to conquer anything here. Sure if you want any of that. So people are afraid of doing their own SEO. We're going to overcome that by saying conquer your SEO fears. Ultimate do it DIY SEO software, and then it's got our website, of course. So as soon as people see that, the first thing they're going to see is SEO, of course, and when they read into it. So that's pretty simple, pretty quick and simple to put one together. I'm not going to publish straight away. I'm just going to download and save it. And when I do get a Pinterest, so actually how you spell conquer. That's not right. That was not right. Where is it? Just forgot where I lost them. There we go. And of course, put in your destination link. So in our case, it's going to be because we're going to be driving traffic to our destination site, our home site, our niche site. All the advertising that we're going to do will direct back to our SEOs, back to our site, and that's going to give all the site the Google link juice. So all our advertising goes to our blog site or our main site. Then from there it goes to our autoresponder, collecting names and address, and then it goes through to our affiliate page. So that's the way it's all going to work. So we want all our advertising dollars to go to this site. That's going to hopefully Google will pick that up and run with it even further. Publish immediately. Save it to my own SEO folder, pin folder. That's it. Very simple. It's there. It's out there. Now, if you went and did that, so that took a few minutes. If you went and did that a few times a week with all of your offers, try and focus on a few at a time, keep them all, and then start spreading those around. You might want to post those on your Facebook profiles and things like that. Hopefully, people will pass those around again, and they'll generate some pretty nice traffic for you. If you want to take it one step further, all you need to do is hit the promote button, give Pinterest a few dollars. You can do it pretty cheaply, $10 a day for a couple of days. You'll get a bit of traffic that way as well. And that's it. It'll ask you for keywords, your daily budget, and gives you an option of roughly how many people you're going to target for a limited amount of money. So that's worth doing if you've got the funds. Don't go nuts with it. Just try $20. See what sort of reaction you get. If you start to get some reaction, then you can put more money into it. But try them first. Make sure you actually get it. Don't just throw your money away. So give that a go and let us know how you go with it. Thanks, guys.